Okay, grade 11s and 12s, let's quickly look, drawing a bolt. Now, I know grade 10s might also find this helpful, so we're going to draw two lots of bolts, 2-face and a 3-face. Please remember, bolt or nut, 1.5 times diameter. So we're going to go with, for the video purposes, we're going to have an M20. So I'm going to go 1.5 times 20, and that should be 30. So first things first, what I'm going to do, circle stencil, and I'm going to draw a circle, 30. I'm then going to come along and draw all my tangents. Okay. Please remember with this can be an auxiliary view, or it can be in one of your drawings and then needs to actually form part of your drawing, then it would be dark and counts marks. So we're going to draw a 2-face and a 3-face. Okay, so there we've got that nicely. So what we're going to do now, we bring these construction lines lightly across. This is all for your 3-face. And I'm going to have a nice light line going here. So this is an M20 bolt, so 20 times 0.8, or an M20 nut is 16. Now, sometimes we give you all these measurements, sometimes we don't. So it is always good to remember these measurements. So remember that part for a nut, 0.8 times diameter, bolt 0.7 times diameter. Okay, so I've got, let's do it this way, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So where A comes down, I'm going to go at 30 degrees, and where D comes down, I go at 30 degrees. Okay, so if you remember, this is A, B, C, and D. So where A and D meets, I'm going to put my compass, touch, and I curve B to C. I then come down. Now, I know some teachers will tell you to do this last. I do it early. I come and draw my lines in for B and C, so it looks like a big toe. Okay, then from B, I 30 degree towards A, and from C, I 30 degree towards D. Now, those should be in line. Put my compass here and touch. Now, you're going to curve that from D to C. I know that sometimes with smaller circles, my ruler's a bit wonky, so I take that as a radius. So that radius was 8, so I know it is diameter 16. And then I make sure that it touches the top and it curves nicely. I can come and darken A. I can darken D. Now, there's one saving grace here. I come here and I'm going to straighten my little corners out. So I come here at 60 degrees and I curve, straighten the little curves out. So what that actually does, if you've made a small mistake, that actually covers your little mistake. Okay. What's also important is that line touches the circle. Now we're going to come down, bring F, A, and B. Going to have that. Have that. And now I'm going to have 60-degree lines. That one was 30, this one is 60. Again, compass, touch. Two-face normally is nice because it's a bit bigger. But sometimes your compass doesn't always want to work. Okay. Now what you will notice, the difference between your two-face and your three-face, very importantly, just want to neaten this little bit up here. My line went a bit further. Okay. Here you have a little bit of a gap where your chamfer, in your two-face, you actually close it off. Although I still put it in, you still just close it off. Two-face, three-face.